Hi students. Now today class discuss about the base B representation problems. Okay, this topics already you are studying in lower classes also, that is 8th or 9th classes, but where that concept will be included in the theorem part also. Okay, so we will discuss about the base B representation. The base B representation is something but already you studying generally in binary operations 0 and 1. So the same conversion, so binary converted into by base digit 2 to decimal, 8 to decimal, then 16 to decimal. That topics only discussion for this problem. Okay, directly you can see the problem. You can see the first problem. First, express problem 10 your base 2 in base 10. So your first problem, here express the problem 10, the study read out only in the individual number. So 10110 base 2 you have converted into base 10 problems. Okay, very simple problem. Generally for mathematics, what is the first digit generally? 0th, first, second, third, fourth, etc. That concept is here including. Now write the problem 10110 base 2. You have write it as each and every individual element will be converted into the multiplying into corresponding base conversion. Here the problem, what is the base conversion? Base 2. So each and every element multiplying that corresponding base element. Here base element 2, but your raised to the power will be converted into left to right. So here power will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your last term will be multiplied into power 4. So 1 into 2 power 4, again 0 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1, the last term 0 into 2 power 0. See the term 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Your problem, the base will be 2. Your power will be multiplying in the last digit first conversion 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So if the problem how many elements is that element will be concluded. So suppose in 10th term will be multiplying, the power will be 10. So here now convert, now ordinary simplification. So 1 into 2 power 4, what is the 2 power 4 value? 2 into 2 power 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times, so we get the value 16. 16 into 1, 16. 2 cube value 8, but 8 into 0, your multiplying value 0, so that is right 0 plus 2 square value 4, 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 power 1, 2 power 1 value 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 power 0 value 1, but 1 into 0 value 0. So multiplying, after that one again we get the answer is 24. So your base, here express the corresponding problem 10110 base 2 converted into base 10 problem is answer is 24. Okay, this is the simple problem. 2 more questions will be asking. See the next problem. Okay, very simple problem. Next problem, express the problem 1176 base 8. Here the base will be changed base 8, not base 2. Here the problem will be changed to base 8 problem. So as usual, your previous problem which procedure applying, that the same concept. So first as usual write it as 1776. Your base will be here the problem 8. Okay, as usual converted into binary by a base binary digit 8 to base 10. Now so here the problem 4 times, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So totally 4 elements, but your converted power will be 0, 1, 2, 3 only. Now here the base will be 8. So multiplying each and every element corresponding base value. So here 1 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 6 into 8. But power will be adding only in the term of last. So last term write it as 0, previous one 1, next term 2, the next term 3. Suppose when your problem any term is extra 4, 5, your term will be adding. After that one, you can as usual ordinary simplification. 8 cube value 24, 24 into 1, 8 square value 8 cube value 8 cube value 8 into 8 into 8 64, 64 into So 64 into 64, 64 into 8 value 512, 8 square value 64, 64 into 7 448, 8 power 1 value 8, 8 into 7 56, 8 power 0 value 1 into 6 6. You can multiplying, after that one you can adding all the answer, we get 5 4 900 something, and you get the answer is 1022. Okay, this is a simple problem. Now next problem, see the one, here the previous problem, here the base 8, previous problem base 2, next problem see the one base 16 problem. Okay, see the base 16 problem, express 3 ABC base 16 in converted into base 10. Okay, now in a binary base B representation, generally you can binary operation 0 and 1 for the integer. The problem given for any any element in the in the integer value the 1 0 1 0 in the element of, suppose the problem given for 3 ABC. So in terms of alphabet notation ABC means you have assumption. Okay, what is the A, what is the B, what is the C, that is the basic rule. So write solution. Here let us substitute first, let A equal to B, B equal to 11, C equal to 12. Suppose D, E, F now you can adding all convert into next digit, etc. Okay, now applying these values in the above problem and also converted into problem 16 to base 10. So write it as 3 ABC 3 into, here the problem 3 into 16, here the problem basic conversion is 16. Okay, 16 plus A in, so write it as A first, A into 16, B into 16, C into 16. Okay, next step, adding the power value. Here the last term value 0, here 1 2 3. Now after that one replacing what is the ABC value. So 3 into 16 cube plus B order value 11 into 16 square, A order value 10, B order value 11, C order value 12. Okay. Now after that one you can ordinary simplification, we get the answer is, for 3 into 16 the whole cube 12,228, then 10 into 16 square 2,560 plus 11 into 16 power 1 1076 plus 16 power 0 value 1 into 12. So multiplying add the answer, we get the answer is finally 15,036. Okay, this is the problem base 2 16 8 conversion into decimal places, into base 10. Next you can find out the next type is next type is base 10 irundhu you can convert to decimal place. Okay, see the next type problem. Now see the next type of problem is, your previous type is base to base conversion 2 6 8 16 to converted into base 10. Now here the problem base 10 to converted into base binary digit base 2 base 16 base 8 problems. See the only one example, any one problem. Okay, now express those simple problems. Now write it the problem, express your base 10 problem is 1176 equal to converted into binary digit 2. Here the problem 1076 converted into which number is, you have to find out that value, converted into base 2. Very simple problem, ordinary division, already lower class problem, the same procedure. Okay, write the solution. Here the problem is 1076. Now 1076 divided by which element? Okay, that is the basic concept. Here the problem, what is the binary conversion, base 8 16 or 2? Here the problem which binary conversion? Here the answer is binary conversion into 2. So which binary operation is converted to that problem, that value you have divided. So here the problem 2, so divided by 2. So 2 into how many 2s are in 1076? 5 38. Okay, So remainder 0. Remaining 2. Each and every element you can divide by 2. So 2 into 269, remainder 0. So 2 into 134, remainder 1. So 2 into 67, remainder 0. Now divided by 2 into 33, remainder 1. 2 into 16, remainder 1. Today continuation, 16 divide panna 2 into 8, 0. 2 into 4, 0. 2 into 2, 0. Here 2 into 1. Okay. Once again. 2 into 1, remainder 0. After the division of the corresponding binary digit value, you can write it that time. So finally you can write it that the solution 1076 equal to here. What is the denominator? First last value 1. Next value remainder each. Write it all the remainder values 1 0 0 0 0. Write it all the values. So write 1 0 0, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Then remainder 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. Here base problem. Here the problem. Given problem, which binary conversion? The corresponding binary. Suppose here the problem binary conversion is 2. So dividing by all the element 2. Then finally write it your final each and every term. Write it the remainder 1 0 0 0. Write it all the element. Then finally write it that binary digit number which 2. Suppose in a problem asking for suppose 8 or 16, here corresponding the problem divided by 8. Write it all the values the same result. Suppose problem 16 divided by 16. Find out the remainder. Write it the solution. Yes, thank you.